G'day and welcome to an on-location FriBaT this Friday. It's a beautiful day in Tasmania. It's a little cool, but it's nice. This week we've got another Zytho brewing product. This is the Zytho Hemp IPA. Hemp, interesting. What does Zytho have to say about their hemp IPA? It is a meld of hops and hemp wrapped up in contemporary dank resinous IPA with tropical overtones. Thank you very much. Happy Friday. It's a very different IPA. Don't have my glasses on. It's different. There's definitely some tropical there. Hemp flavour. What the hell is hemp flavour? Why would you put hemp in a beer? It is 6% alcohol, and it has won a silver award at the Australian International Beer Awards in 2022, this year. I have had other Zythos which I think are better than this, but it's not bad. It's different. It's really hard to put my finger on what's different about it, but it's drinkable. Yeah, look, for me on a Spanner scale, I think it's really only a 3 out of 5. There's nothing wrong with it per se. Would I buy a carton of it and drink it with my mates? Probably not. There's other better beers. I'm just not sure. Yeah, 3 out of 5. Alrighty, this week we have another Amazon tool. You may see my trusty old Husqvarna here sitting in front of me. It's only a very small saw, and of course when you own a chainsaw, it's always the bane of your life having sharp chains. So I found on Amazon a fairly cheap little tool, and so I thought I'd give it a go. Now my only question is going to be whether or not this little chainsaw has too small a chain for the cutting tool. And no, I think it'll work. Okay, so what is it? Well, we have a nice little alloy. Might bring you in a little bit closer. Alright, we got a nice little alloy product, and basically it clamps onto your blade. And of course, like most of these things, there's no instructions with it. I'm a man, I don't need instructions. And the little diamond tipped I will bring you in closer so that you can see this. And you will need a tool. Tighten up the handle. Okay, we stumbled upon a bit of a problem. This tool is not designed for a small saw like this, so I have to get a man-sized chainsaw. Alrighty, full-size blade. The reason being is this little finger here, which you adjust up to the back of your tooth, allows you to then put pressure on this item, which has the diamond tip, to grind your tooth. So let's see if it works with a full-size chainsaw. Okay, this is a piece of crap. Let me take you off the tripod and show you why it won't work. So, let me get this. For the grinding tooth or the grinding blade to be in the right position on the tooth, there is no way that little cam can push down. It's not long enough to push down on the back of each tooth. So unless this is for an even bigger chain, I don't know. There's no adjustment to raise the grinder part up. So therefore, this thing's junk. Rightio. A few things about this piece of Chinese junk from Amazon. One, it doesn't look the same as what I bought from Amazon, and probably because I bought it a few months ago, it's probably a bit too late for me to actually send it back to Amazon. It was $43. Now, traditionally we use the old round file, and there are a couple of guides that you can get for those, and they work quite well. There are electric ones that you look. I can't recommend this piece of crap, apart from the fact that they've sent me something that is different to what's in the photos. The one in the photos, this little cam is longer, and it actually will go down further and sit onto the back of each tooth of your chainsaw. This is junk. Thanks, Amazon. That's the first junk tool I have ever bought from Amazon. Now I need my beer even more. So I will put a link down in the bottom of this to make sure that you don't go and buy it. I cannot recommend it. It is a 0 beers out of 5. I cannot recommend it at all. It's junk. I can't use it. I have to go back to the good old rat tail file method, and hopefully I get my angles right. Now, that's disappointing for a FriBaT. And disappointing that what they've sent me doesn't look like in the photo. I'll put some photos up here of the one that is on Amazon, and you can see the differences. This is just, it's crap, starters. Very disappointing. Alrighty, well, that's a quick FriBaT for a change, and my extremely messy shed, but hey, I got a shed, so I can start getting that organised and hopefully start building the mezzanine storage up the back, and start getting a bit of workshop ability happening. We'll be returning to some vehicle maintenance very soon on the VE Commodore that I bought. It needs a new timing chain, and it needs it very badly, so we've got to get stuck into that. So the sun's actually quite bright here today. Anyway, that's it for this week for a FriBaT, and we'll see you next week. Cheers.